Hey everyone, as you can see, got my hands full here. We've got a, on 12 to 18 foot Leylandii. It was there before the development was started, so we're keeping it, have done for years, but it's just a case of managing it and keeping it at a agreeable level for both sides. So as you can see, I've got the scaffold up, and I'm going to spend the next probably week going across foot by foot from this end all the way over to take it down at the top end, take it down, and then after that I've got to face the whole thing off as well. So I'm going to be doing other stuff around the garden, bits and bobs here and there, and then occasionally cutting to this. So, a little tip about working smart in the garden. If you're doing hedging, topping off trees, etc., anything that has a bulk, anything that's heavy, put it on a tarp, and then you can drag it around a lot easier than lifting it and carrying it. still weighs a ton, but I can do it on my own. I couldn't otherwise. Right, it's another one done. As you saw, the Leylandii is going to be a bit of an issue as we get older, because physically it's going to be quite demanding to get the scaffolding out, get up there and do it all. So we're going to have to think long term about how we plan for what we're going to do next with this barrier, because it's basically a sound barrier and a sight barrier from a development that's very close next door. So we've got to think about possibilities of what we can do in the future from a cost point of view, and obviously, as I've said, from a physical point of view, what I would be able to do 3-4 years hence. I'll just switch this around a minute. You can see this stump here. Well, this stump is from a row of Leylandii that separated the garden front to back, so it went right across here. And we pulled all those out years ago and we left that one stump. So it shows if we killed off these and kept them as stumps, we could use those stumps to fix slats to, or to grow climbers up. We've just got to think about it, I think, and see what possibilities there are to keep this screen but in a different format. So there we have it. Do what makes you happy, keep gardening, keep positive, keep happy. We'll see you next time.